Hello, it's Jay here again. Welcome to another tutorial. So in this lesson we're carrying on with the onGUI function, but we need to create just one more variable, and yes, I think I'll put it here at the bottom. It can be of type private, of type async operation. We'll give it a naming convention exactly the same, but with the underscore in front. Close that line off. Into the comments defines naming convention for async operation, and we'll leave that for now. And we'll come down to the onGUI and let's just have a look. We've got the line for the GUI skin in place. And let's come just below that. We're going to say underscore main menu GUI skin dot button dot font size is going to be equal to underscore main menu font size. Let's close that line off. Into the comments, GUI skin, let's say button font size equals, and in fact I'll use the naming convention of underscore main menu font size there as well. Let's just copy and paste that in below. We're going to change button to label, and obviously we just need to change that in the comment as well. So we now come down, draw background texture. Let's break this line up now. So I'm going to enter here, here, and I'll enter here as well. We'll just cut and paste the comment in. I'll just change that to draw texture. We'll say at this position by these dimensions, and draw the background texture. Yeah, I'll just put that. That'll be absolutely fine. So that's that line tidied up. So let's come just below that now. We're going to say if open and close brackets, inside the brackets underscore starting game double equals true. Into the comments, if starting game is equal to true, come below. We're going to say GUI dot label, open and close brackets, close the line off. Inside the brackets we're going to say of type new rect. We'll open and close brackets again, then we'll come inside that set. We're going to say screen dot width divided by 2 minus, and we'll put this in brackets. So open and close again, come inside main menu loading message width, and also divided by 2. We're going to come here after the first close bracket. We're going to say comma, And I think we'll start to break this up for commenting already. So now we'll come here, we'll say screen.height divided by 1.1f, comma, we'll enter again. This value is just what I've come up with via experimentation, and as always I advise you to experiment yourselves. But below, main menu loading message width, comma, we'll enter again, main menu loading message height. We can come between the closed brackets, we're going to say comma, enter. We're going to put two little speech marks, we're going to come inside, we're going to say loading level. Then we'll come here, just before the closed brackets, we're going to have a space, we're going to say plus, open and close brackets, inside the brackets, int. We'll come in between those closed brackets now, and we're going to say underscore async operation, plus, speech marks again, we're going to come inside, and we're going to use the percentage sign. So let's have a look. If starting game equals true. Plus underscore async operation. Now we do want it cast to an int, but I don't think it's going to let me do that until I get the other code in place. So let's just leave the int and the brackets it was in out for now. We'll come back and add it in later. But let's come to this line. We'll say create GUI label, come below, we'll say at this position, in brackets I'm going to say width, exactly the same for the next line, only we're going to put the height in the brackets, obviously. We'll come to the next line. By this dimension, again in the brackets we'll say width. Sorry, just caught the button there. I'll leave it like this for now. Let's just continue on. And in fact, let's just close that down. So it's just debugging. We'll open the script back up. We'll just close that window. So sorry about that. Let's come back. We'll continue on by this dimension. And again, height. We'll say and print loading level plus async value. So what this will show is, let's just go over loading level and this percentage sign. We're just printing those characters onto the screen. this async operation that goes between them is the value or the percentage via which the next scene has loaded in. So we'll get loading level by a percentage amount followed by the percentage sign. So let's come below now. We're going to say GUI.color. We're going to say this is equal to a new color with capital C this time. Open and close brackets, close the line off. Inside the brackets, we're going to say 1, 1, 1, so 3 ones, 3 commas. I think I got that right when I said it. Followed by underscore main menu fade value. Let's get this into the comments. So GUI color is equal to, I'll just put 3 ones in brackets. We'll say RGB, because that is what the 3 ones actually, in fact, I'll put that in the bracket as well. That's what the 3 ones, they're the value of the RGB, should I say. The 3 ones are the value of the RGB plus fade value, which is the alpha, which deals with transparency. So let's have a look where we at now. Let's come below there. We're going to say GUI.draw texture. We'll open and close brackets, close that line off. Inside the brackets, new rect, open and close brackets again. Inside those brackets, we're going to say main menu, and let's have a look what I named them. So we want the title offset width, comma, underscore main menu title offset height, and let's break this up already. In fact, I should have put a comma at the end there, so I'll add that in. In this line, we're going to say main menu title size width, comma, main menu title size height, come between the closed brackets, comma, enter, main menu title. So let's get this into the comments. We're going to say draw the texture at this position by these dimensions. And we're going to say and draw main menu title. We'll just save that off there for the moment. And let's have a look. I think we'll pick this up in the next lesson, because it's actually dealing with the buttons. So let's do a separate video for that, I think. But we'll leave it here for now. As always, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I hope to see you next time. And until then, as always, bye for now.